Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to remove the rear lower bumper trim from a Dodge Challenger. Before you get started, you will need a ratchet wrench, a socket set, and a screwdriver. You will also need a rivet and trim removal tool. Now I will silence myself and let you watch the process as I go. I put notes here and there so you can follow along. And that's it. You know now how to remove a rear lower bumper on a Dodge Challenger. If you're replacing it, the installation process will be the same as the removal process. Make sure to use new bolts or clips if necessary. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try my best to answer. Drop a like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you guys in the next one.